and go here on Insert, IFC in, okay, and I take this small drawing and open it, and you can see here's what we want to import, okay, here. And you can see I was able to import with our IFC import this as 3D model. Let me go here under View, Orbit. You can see this is a 3D model. This is a little bit different. You can see this is like how it's looking in our system. This is how we export this using IFC, because we are using in IFC a standard doors and standard windows. But if you go here now on realistic, you can see this is how it looks. Okay. So very good method I look this here to use, and this is our original drawing. You see, very easy. This is how IFC import is working. If you want, you can go here on here again, new drawing. You can go here of Insert, IFC in, okay. And you can go here on, again, this is small IFC, and tell, no, I don't want any windows. I need only the walls, because I am some engineer. I have to make a construction, maybe concrete construction. I need only the walls, and I need this wall on as geometry, this wall as geometry, and this wall as geometry. Okay, okay, and here, enter, is done. And you see you have now wonderful import. If you go here and look on it, you can see we have only the walls, no doors, no windows. I'll go here on View, Realistic, and you can see this is how we can import. So this is everything fine, okay? But I'm sure you are not here because this kind of easy IFC or Revit import and export. I'm sure you have your experiences and you know how terrible it can be, okay? And now we are going to the second part. We are going to the second part where I will show you the trouble doing IFC import and how you can handle using this program. Because this is what I was doing now. This is on a presentation. You know, you can show it maybe presentation, make a presentation. I hope that somebody so we buy the software and tell, oh my God, yeah, so easy. IFC, import, export, everything is there. No, no, no. You will see. I will show you a lot of samples how complicated it can be and what kind of tools we have if you have this complicated. Again, here it was very easy. Small drawing. You see, made using our CADirect. Then here, export and import as IFC. And here we export and import it only with the decision we need only the walls. Perfect. But this is good only for small drawings. I'll show you something. Let me start now with real big drawings, okay? And let me check what kind of trouble you can have. Okay, yeah, because you will tell me, okay, well, I'm here in this webinar, not because this kind of simple drawings, yeah? Okay, let me go on Insert, and let me go now IFC in, okay? This is IFC drawing. Let me take this institute here, okay? And wow, look. Oh my God, this is a recent project. And here you can't really decide what you want. Maybe you want on the second floor, okay? Then you can click here a lot, and switch it off and on, and hope you will get the correct construction. This is the reason that this IFC import we recommend only for small file with known structure. If you know the structure, you can import it, because then you can here decide what you import. You can click everything, so and again you can import in the part. You can't. What you can't do, you can't import and explode this full project into DWG, because the DWG will get a big dimensions. Yeah. So here you have to do it on another kind. Okay. First, you have to see the structure of the file. You can to see what you get as IFC or as Revit. And here what we have, BIM underlay. Look, I'm going now on BIM underlay, and I will import now here this as real BIM element, so with as underlay. You see the difference to our CADirect is like we can view BIM, we can plot BIM, we can import export BIM, we can do everything with BIM models. Only one thing, we are still not able to compete regarding BIM with this very famous programmers Revit and etc. This is still a CAD system, not a BIM system. This is a CAD system with BIM possibilities. Okay, so now look what's happened. I import this drawing. You can see here's the drawing. Okay, now you can check it. What is it? And you can see this is a huge model. So you can go now here on view and to go to realistic. Okay, but if you are interested really in good shading, okay, look here. Here I have only few possibilities to shade this drawing. If you are interested in shading, you can go here on options, graphic performance, and switch to OpenGL-ES. This is a very good mode for every rendering and shading, but this mode we don't recommend if you want to work with lines and circles, because this makes the drawing slower. Like if you render something, you can switch to this mode. If you work with vectors, switch to this mode. But I'm switching now to this OpenS, okay? And let me check here how it looks now. So now you can see the quality is a little bit better, okay? But we have here something like X-ray. You can see we have here in this building a lot of furnitures. We have stairs. We have a lot of stuff. And only one thing, I'll tell you one. Here's hidden lines, yeah? You can't go here on insert and explode everything, this BIM model, into the DWG element. Why? Because we will get very huge drawing. Why? What's happened? You see, the problem is here that, can you see this window, for example, okay? These are BIM elements. BIM elements are elements made by parameters. What you see on the screen is a parametric window. This is not a really drawing of the window. This is the program, for example, the door, they are generated. And you see this column, okay? This everything generated based on parameter. The normal DWG and another older CAD system, they don't understand the parameters. And if you want to use it in another CAD system, not BIM CAD systems, you have to explode it. And if you explode it, you will get a lot of elements. So very important thing is that you decide what you need here. So simple go here. So I'm going here again on visualize. It is my view. I will go on hidden, okay? Go on insert, BIM underlay, and BIM properties. And now I click on it, okay? And here you can see you can go in categories or hierarchy. So and now I will decide I will working only on second floor. Okay. I don't need so this is German drawing. I don't need this story, don't need the story. I need only the second floor. You can see? Now we isolate the second floor. So now I'm going here and tell I'm interested not on don't need any slab, yeah, don't need railing, don't need any doors, don't need any windows. I am interested, no annotation, column, okay, no column, okay, and few niches, no few niches element, and side, that's everything. Okay, this is what I need. Okay. So now I'm going now here on again on view, view that's for the front. And for example, I need this only this floor for my constructions. Maybe I'm an engineer who is doing now the construction, or you're doing electric. I'm doing electric, for example, for every floor separate. So now you can go here and let's switch it off. Okay. Now we can go on Insert, Beam Underlay, and Beam Explode. And now you explode into DWG only this part, right? Okay. Only this part. So now, if you see here, you can see we have now the DWG elements, polyphase mesh. These elements, polyphase mesh, you can be sure every CAD system is able to understand, because this is a native DWG element. You can go now here and copy it if you want, copy, and go in another drawing and paste it. Zoom, extension. So, and now see we have now here, okay, we have now here the construction itself. And if you go here on the view construction, then we have here walls for the, and now we can use it for every kind of construction. And then you can simply save it as DWG, save as. So this is now second floor. Okay, and let me go here and open it. Second floor. You see, this is simple DWG, and you can open it in every CAD system. Okay, so let me show you something more different. Okay, so let me go again here and copy it. Oh, yeah, so sorry, I have to put it for the top. Copy, and we go here and paste here. Paste. Okay, let me check. What's this? Okay, I deleted here. Don't need this part here. Also not a clean drawing. Okay, so we have again here this two-dimensional drawing. Okay. So now, if you see, this is a three-dimensional drawing. Okay. So go to the top, and this is normal DWG. Now, if you need this drawing as a two-dimensional drawing, you can use our internal function flatten. Okay, but I show you something. There's one problem. Okay. Yes, move hidden lines. Yes. So this is now a flat 2D drawing. You see. But the problem is here that this flatten take the borders of 3D faces. Like this kind of flatten is not really, you can redraw now it here, but if you need a real drawing, I'll show you another method. Okay, let me go here on undo. This flatten is not really smart method. So I will show you some better method. Okay. If you need this two-dimensional, okay, and in very good quality, use the possibility of conversion between PDF and CAD. This is the best method to get something flat. Really the best method. But there's one trick. I'll show you something. So let me make here a small circle, okay? So this is only for the test. I show you something. Let me make a small circle. Can you see the small circle here? Okay. So let me go now here on say export as PDF. Okay. This is with drawing 16 here. Okay. Save. I need on this floor, and the advanced options you see the resolution for vectors in PDF. The normal resolution is every time 300 dpi, 200 dpi, 150 dpi. So the problem is here, if you want to keep a small PDF, you need a low resolution. So let me take down the standard solution, 200 dpi. Let me check what's happened with this circle. Export, okay. And let me go here. Let me go now here to our BackToCAD tools. We have a spatial viewer for construction drawings. I'll show you why this viewer is very important. Open. And then we go here now on this, here is my webinar here. IFC webinar here, IFC webinar, that's this drawing. And let me check this circle, okay? Here, this is a line with line weight, you see? Okay, you can go here on wireframe, look. This is not a circle, can you see? This looks terrible, can you see? Then you can imagine that the quality of this drawing in 200 dpi is very, very bad. Why? Because if you want a CAD quality of this PDF, you need a very, very good resolution of the coordinates. So what's happened? You see this resolution, you can see, for example, here. I should open you another drawing. So I have here some sample. I think this 5. I think this 5 or 5 is okay. Let me check it. No. File open. 8, maybe here. Let me check it here. Now here's okay. So let me check this typically open. Let me check here, maybe example 4. As you see something better. Here. So let me check here. This you can see this is a typically. So can you see it? Can you see? This is the. This is a 2 in resolution of 200 dpi. Then we go here and see it better if we want to go fast. Can you see? This is everything in 200 dpi raster. If you want a CAD accuracy in a drawing, in PDF drawing, then go here on export. Let me take take new name 17 so that we see the difference. Save. And here advanced options, and I put here the maximum DPI you can do. I think 90,000 is the maximum DPI. You can try 100,000, but I think it will be not taking 100,000. The biggest number is 99999. Okay, let me do it. Okay, this one export. And now what you have here, okay, let me open it in our viewer. File, open. Here, this is the 17. Let me see the difference. Can you see the difference? Look, perfect circle. Can you see? And here, terrible circle. So not only on this, also geometry. Like here, let me check here. the another geometry is not enough accurate. Now here we have very, very accurate drawing. And what we can do now, because the drawing is very, very accurate, this is a CAD accuracy. You can go here on open a new drawing, and you can see this AI PDF import. You can go in AI PDF import, choose this drawing, okay, and you can simply convert it back into the into DWG, okay. And what we get here now is a perfect quality. See, perfect quality of PDF. The circle is perfect circle, okay. We have here, look at the walls, perfect quality. So, and this is a perfect drawing you can really use. So of course, you never know what are the coordinates because we're PDF coordinates, but it's very easy. Scale the drawing. I don't know what is the distance. Maybe it's 100. You have to tell, scale the drawing so that this distance will be maybe 100. You have to take it from the drawing itself. Okay. Now you can see if you measure here the distance, you will get here 100. You see, if you measure this distance, let me check what is it. Yeah, you return. So this is the, like you need here first the real distances. You can view. It's enough to scale only one time. The drawing is everything. Can you understand how it works? It's very, very, very important. Again, okay. I show you again the steps. Okay. Let me do something very fast. Another drawing. Okay. So that we repeat the steps. Okay. This is how what I recommend you. Okay. So, okay. So before you import any IFC or Revit, let me take this times Revit file. Okay. Go here on Insert. Go on Beam Underlay, and import this Revit file. Let me check here the Revit. We take, maybe here we have a lot of file samples. Already test. This is a small sample here. Okay, and import this Revit file. So this was before Revit from AutoCAD, from Revit from Autodesk. Now you see this takes a little bit time. And now is inserting it. Okay, and now what you have here is this Revit file in our system CADirect. Next step is view it. So if you don't have this realistic views, so like shaded with wireframe X-ray, go here on options and switch the graphic performance to OpenGLS. It's slower, but the rendering is better. So normally the program is here because the program is made for construction drawing, so that we have the here in OpenGL so they can work faster, but the quality of rendering is not so good. But now I make a very good quality. Now I'm going on realistic, okay, and let me check it. What is it? And you see this is a beautiful project, Revit project. And for example, you make a static or electric or plumbing, and you don't need this everything around here. Again, now we can decide what you want. Next step, go here on Insert, Beam Underlay, and Beam Properties. Okay, and switch off what you don't want. For example, I will switch off ceiling. I'm doing so maybe so unleveled, so here, and then here level 1. Foundation don't need it. Roof don't need 2. This is what I need. Okay, and let me check level 1. Okay, so this is what I need. Okay, but of course I need not everything. I don't need everything. Let me check so what we have here. Now click on it and categories. I don't need any windows. I need walls. No topography, no railings, no foundations, no something, no stairs. Let me switch off here what we don't need: roofs, railings, plumbing, so planting, no plants, no pets, no lighting, no furniture, no floors, I don't need any floors, electrical equipment not, no doors, this is what I don't need, everything, bank, and this is what I need, only the walls. Okay, now I have the walls. Okay, let me check it, how it looks, view. Okay, now we have the walls. Now top. So how we get the walls? So there are two possibilities. You see the walls are dark. You can go here every time on help and switch to white screen if you want to see it better. Okay. What we are doing with the walls? Okay, let me go here on view, and we go here on wireframe. Okay. So now what you can do, have two possibilities. You can go on insert and beam explode again and explode what you want. Up. And now you can copy and paste it in a new drawing. Copy. Oh, yeah. Okay, this is an error. Okay. I copied the full project. Okay, let me check it here. Okay, let me wait here for one moment. So let me so this so copy, and now for example on this walls, and you can open a new drawing and paste. Yeah, okay, for just another one. Okay, I got, sorry. Okay, that's the wrong one. Copy and paste. Oh, now we have the walls here. So, and you can work with it. It's like black background. You see, you can work with it. Or what I told you, another possibility is if you need the walls 2D, because this is simple. This is everything 3D. Okay. If you go here on View, Constraint Orbit. Okay. You can try now here to make this flat, but I show you something. This is so this flatten. Okay, so you can this flatten, but I show you what is the problem with this flatten. But what you can go if you need this two-dimensional, okay, and then you can go here on export as PDF. Let me do 18. Okay, and here it's very important that you put here maximum 999 dpi. Very important that you make this in very good accuracy. Okay, that is the drawing, and now we can go here and put it flat here in our A tools, import, and our BackToCAD importer. Take the 18, start, and we'll import it. Okay. Okay, that's it. You can see that's now the flat drawing view. Constraint orbit, and you can work with it, and of course scale it. But this is a CAD accuracy. Okay, you can scale it now here with BackToCAD tools with simple scaling, like go tell this distance have to be no distance. You have to check what is this 100, for example, and we scale it everything. Okay, this is how you work. Okay, very important thing. Very important thing is that you can use it, this again, insert IFC import if the file is small and you know the structure. If you have this big files, you have to separate what you want and you can import it. But there's one warning. I show you something. Let me insert now another one, beam underlay. This time I take again IFC with this small house. Yeah, okay. Okay. So this is something very interesting here. You know, so let me go here on the view, constraint orbit. So here's one problem. If you will try to export this drawing, then you have here a lot of round elements here. Like, for example, this column, or here you see the pipes here. And here in the railings, you have round railings. The problem is here, if you will try to explode it into DWG, you will get a lot of entities. It is very important that you watch it, and you have so watch what is it. Look, you can see the pipes here. How many elements are here? These are the duct pipes from no, this is not duct pipes. These are the pipes for heaters. You can see this will produce a lot of elements. So I tell you one, never try to explode this one using this insert beam underlay be explode, because you will get a huge DWG drawing. Every time go here and decide what you're doing with it. You can click on it. If you don't want it, switch it off. I think this is here on the terminal. Yeah, what is pipe? Where's the pipe here? I don't know here the. Oh, okay. One over visited. Okay, so you switch it off, and then you can explode it. Don't produce here millions of DWG elements. So then this is not what you can really export into DWG. You need a BIM system if you want to work with it. Okay, good. Now, next subject is what we are this very fast. I will show you something very interesting. What we are doing if you have scan drawings from scanner. Okay, so let me go here.